Tutorial will show you Premiere Pro transparent video completely for free. If this helped you, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. The first step to get a transparent video in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, assuming you have your video that you would like to export on the timeline, click Ctrl+M on your keyboard, and this will bring up the export settings in Adobe Premiere Pro. Under Format, click the drop down arrow and click where it says QuickTime. In this case, I already have it clicked. And then Presets, click down on the drop down, and you want to click the option down here towards the bottom, GoPro Signform RGB 12 bits, maximum bit depth. And basically what this will do is this is going to export this part of the video is a transparent or as an alpha channel video. And under video, if you scroll down under basic video settings, you can click this arrow and drag this to the right so it's the highest quality. Click output name and save this whatever you would like, and then export. And then once exported, to prove that this works, we have the video clip right here, and then I'm going to drag it to our timeline. And as you can see, it is a transparent video. If we delete this, I'm going to drag a picture in the timeline, and as you can see, we now have a transparent video completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.